Hi everyone, this tutorial is to show you how to create columns for your gradebook. You're going to need to do this for every single assignment that you give and give a grade for. The first time I recorded this I got a little wordy, so I'm just going to record over my voice, so as you watch the video you may see it go in fast forward sometimes, but it shouldn't be too hard to follow. The first step is to go to your grade center and create column. There, you'll give your column a name. Make sure that the name that you give it is something that you'll be able to remember later on. You don't want to just go vague with this and call them all homework 1, homework 2, unless that's something that you'll be able to keep track of. Next, you're going to need to enter the primary display. This is just what you want to enter into the gradebook. So if an assignment is out of 20 points and you want to enter the number correct rather than a percentage, leave the primary display as score. Secondary display, category, and points possible are the three remaining fields. Secondary display allows you to show a percentage. Only the teacher would see this. I like to do that so that I can take a quick glance and see if my students got over or under 80%. The category is the most important part. That's where you need to assign it which category, and it needs to be a category that is within your weighted column that we set up already. And then the last part is the points possible. After that, just go hit submit and it will appear in your grade center. That's the end of this tutorial. I do go on and explain part of the math of Grade Center, so I'll go ahead and review that real quickly right now. Notice that if you put another assignment in from the same category, those two would average out, and you would clearly see if someone got a 90 on the first thing and 80 on the second thing, then their final grade would be 85. But if you have two assignments, again, scores 90% and 80% from different columns with different weightings, the final grade is not going to equal 85%. Okay? This might confuse some of your students, and they will probably complain if they see that when they add up their scores and average them, they have over 80%, but their final grade shows them below 80%. The reason for this is because of the weighting, of course. So don't be thrown off by that. Don't allow your students to convince you that there's something wrong with your grade board, with your Blackboard gradebook. Just explain that different assignments are weighted differently. So 90% in a column that's worth 5% of the total grade isn't going to have as much effect as 80% in a column that has 20% of the weight of their final grade. Alright, that's it. Oh wait, one last thing. If you ever need to check, maybe there is a problem in your grade book, you think, the chevrons on each of the categories, you can click on those and see the information for that column. So you can see if maybe you forgot to enter a category, maybe you entered the wrong category, or accidentally hit the wrong thing for points possible. So that's a valuable tool to just go to your gradebook, go to the chevron over the column, and edit column information. Alright, bye.